Hello. Thank you. Alright, this are you and Faisal. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. Pleasure to meet all of you. How are we? Good. What are you doing right now? And what's your job description? Because I think the company must have a policy, the protocols, and the job description. It's really, what's your job?
Work at the reception. The reception is asked to the receptionist.
Okay.
I welcome customers.
Right.
I serve customers on board.
Yeah.
I welcome customers.
Okay.
Direct customers to service advisor.
Right.
And from service advisor to service advisor. Send them to us to give them quotations.
All right.
After quotations, we send them cashier, test the cashier.
All right.
Then from there, we send them back to service advisors.
All right.
And then the service advisors release them after work done.
That's really incredible. Very good. That's a good job. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Right. Now, Madam Faiza, can you please explain to us how do you serving Toyota customer here? Because I've heard, I'm just coming, and just heard rumors how guys you're just so fantastic, my customer care excellent, and try to explain to me how the paperwork is really out. All right.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Come out, explain. Alright, stand as I can stand here and explain confidently. Alright. Remember, I have one of your videos as well, 2015. Very soon I will share with it when you're being container outside the container and promoting genuine Toyota parts. I have it, I'm going to share with you very soon, guys. You're gonna have. Now today, after 5 years, she's the same again, Pfizer here, get promoted. Explain what you're doing right now.
Yeah, actually I joined the MBC Toyota around 2016. I joined as a sales executive.
Alright, I have your video, I'll share with it.
Yeah, so I was dealing in parts.
Alright.
Me, I just deal in Toyota.
Alright.
Parts, Toyota. Vehicles, when you need you want a vehicle, brand new vehicle,
Alright,
I'm the right person to contact.
alright,
And I'm a corporate person when it comes to Toyota vehicle service, repairs and other things. You can also book through me.
alright,
We have our numbers on our attachments.
alright.
Even to pay, you get my number there, you just call and book us in time.
Alright, if customer really need the service is far, just call you. What's required?
What I need from a customer is just the registration number of the vehicle, the mileage, and then the name of the company. If it is personal, you give me your name and the phone number.
Alright.
Then I send
What
it.
about if customer is a Toyota customer? Toyota Uganda customer?
Yeah, Toyota Uganda customer, the same thing, the registration, the organization, the phone number, and the mileage. Then I send to Toyota Uganda. Then normally we send details to Toyota Uganda. Then we do media. Then we do work on Toyota credit customers vehicles account authorization.
And our own customer as well. Alright. Thank you for your time and wish you all the best. Alright, thank you. And let's move from the side. Maybe I can take quickly store here. Alright, good. Madam, how are you? Pleasure to meet you. Today I've just surprised you without booking that visit.
Yeah.
And today we're here at their store. Things store is just fantastic, excellent, professional, well organized. That's good. Give us the beauty. What is here really? Because I'm just enjoying it to be here. Not even remove this store because I feel everything just well organized. Even I can see the customer here self reside here. Really secured, safety, priority. Those are the genuine ones. Please share with us your passion about this store.
Yeah, when you hear
Are you really feeling happy to be here because that's a cool place?
Very happy. It's one
Alright.
of my favorite rooms in
Alright.
Toyota actually.
Okay.
So you've ever had that NN Toyota, we deal with genuine parts. So today you're getting a chance of seeing the genuine parts you're having.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, we're having the filters, these are the air cleaners, for both Land Cruisers, Hiluxes, even for Primo new models, we do have them in our stores. Actually, literally genuine, you can find here anything.
You guys are doing tremendous job here. Really, it's a professional thing. There's nothing can even try to. Hey, everything just professional. See the rotor head here, genuine, bushes, suspension. That's it. It come to repair suspension part or any part of the Toyota genuine part, genuine part. So you must come to this store because if you wanted the vehicle to last longer, kindly don't go for cheap. Go for cheap, it will cost you. But this is the store of Toyota genuine spare parts. And really, madam, pleasure to meet you. And we'll keep in touch again as usual. Follow me. Leo, we're going to see somebody. Yeah. Taking the car to the computerized wheel alignment machine. It's just incredible. Those are the machines, state of the art machine we have. So, the car. Of course, this is step by step, and even here is step by step. Step 2 is